7 amazing animal rescuing other animal. Caught on video. Before we go to this video, make sure you subscribe Gideon Film Top 5 and press the bell icon and turn on the notification to all so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. 7. Labrador rescues dog in canoe. A canoe got loose with 2 older dogs abroad, heading down the rushing river. Luckily, a smart Labrador retriever dives in, grabs the rope with its teeth and steers the boat to shore. Six. Female lion saves human from male lion. Since humans are animal, we will include this video of one of man's natural predators saving the human from certain death. A caged lion suddenly turns one of its trainers and would be lunged in a matter of seconds. His female counterpart, however, quickly leaps to the rescue, saving the man's hide. Hippo saves Impala from crocodile jaws. This is the only video with an unhappy ending, but it's still a beautiful story. An Impala is attacked by a croc and badly injured. Suddenly, a hippo appears on the scene and scares the crocodile off. The hippo, a herbivore, brings the animal to shore and begins what looks like an attempt to resuscitate the Impala. Baby pig rescues baby goat. This wins the award for cutest rescue. A baby goat goes too deep and begins bleeding for help. After a moment, a hero baby pig swims in, pushing the little guy to shore.
Goat in the water.
Three. Elephant rescues drowning baby elephant. Elephants are known for their intelligence and compassion. Here's an amazing video of a herd of female elephant banding together to help a baby, which had become stuck in the mud. Dog rescues dog from highway in child. This has to be seen to be believed. A dog is hit while trying to cross a busy highway in child. As the dog lies motionless, another dog spots his fellow canine and risks death to save him. Both dogs survive. But before we go to the number 1, make sure you subscribe Gideon Film Top 5 and press the bell icon and turn on the notification to all so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. 1. Battle at Kruger. Baby buffalo saved by her. This is perhaps the most epic battle rescue ever spontaneously captured on video. A baby buffalo is captured first by a pride of lions, then attacked by a pair of crocodiles. But the mama buffalo and her herd won't stand for it, and they charge in and save the baby. It's a scene you won't soon forget. If you know any other animal which rescued another animal, tell us in the comment below. If you like this video, please share, leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Gideon Film Top 5.